Bundaran Pancasila is a notable landmark in Pangkalan Bun, located at a central roundabout that symbolizes the unity and foundational principles of Indonesia through the iconic Garuda Pancasila statue. This monument serves not only as a traffic circle but also a cultural and patriotic reminder for locals and visitors alike. The area around Bundaran Pancasila is often lively, especially during the evenings when families, students, and tourists gather to relax or take photos. It has become a casual meeting point and symbolic of local pride, with its well-maintained structure and Indonesian flags adding to the atmosphere of national identity. Just a short walk or drive from the Bundaran, visitors can find several green spaces and small public parks that offer a peaceful retreat from the bustle of town life. These parks and open areas around the Bundaran Pancasila provide a blend of cultural heritage, community interaction, and natural relaxation. They play a significant role in the town's social life, offering accessible spaces for public enjoyment, events, and day-to-day leisure. Whether you are exploring on foot or simply passing through, the area surrounding Bundaran Pancasila reflects the heart of Pangkalan Bun's local charm and identity.